So I recently opened up my signed books order form for the holidays, and I wanted to let you guys see what it looked like when people clicked on my signed book order form, and then also how to create your own, if that's something you're interested in, if you do not offer books on your website. So here's the order form. You can see it has a title, a brief description, and then I have all of my titles listed with the book cover where they can select however many quantity they'd like. And then at the bottom, checkout, it gives them a subtotal, and then they can pay. I do have a place where they can put how they want it to be personalized. And then when they click on the checkout button, it takes them to PayPal. Now, it's not going to show you it because I am the owner of the account, so it's going to give me an error message. But normally it will give you a traditional PayPal checkout form where a user can select their address and then pay with their PayPal account, or if they don't have PayPal, they can pay directly with a credit card. Now, when they finish checking out, it will automatically be sent to me both in an email, but also show up on my dashboard here in Jot form. And here you can see the order. It lets me see the products that they ordered, the amount that they spent, their name, where they're shipping it to, and any personalization instructions. And as well as showing up on the Jot form site, it also automatically will show up on my PayPal account. And this is one of the reasons why I really love using this form and Jot form and PayPal checkout in particular. Here in PayPal, I can see all of my recent orders. But the really great thing is when I go to Tools, All Tools, and then I select the multi-order shipping tool, it's going to show me all of my addresses and orders there, where I can easily print labels within seconds. You can click on each order, select a preset if you have one. I have them set up here where it automatically puts in media mail. It says it's going to be in a package or thick envelope, and I can manually enter the weight. And then all I have to do is click calculate shipping cost, and it will put it for me. You can have a ton of presets if you want. I only have 3 set up, but if you'd like, you could have presets for 1 book, 2 book, 3 books, etc. When I hit calculate shipping cost, here you can see it's going to cost me $3.27, and this label is ready to go. If I went through and did this whole list and then click review and pay, I could immediately print out those labels and they could be stuck outside ready for my post lady to pick them up. So this is really easy, and it saves me from having to manually enter everyone's address and then risk a chance of messing up a zip code or the spelling of their name or their street or anything else. I create my order forms using Jot form, which is a really great, really easy tool and very inexpensive. I pay $19 a month only for the months in which I have my order form open, which I typically open my order form twice a year. But if you have less than 10 orders, Jot form is free. To begin, you just want to visit jotform.com and create an account. Then click on create form and choose the option on the left, the classic form. Then select template. And they have a bunch of awesome templates for you to choose from. But the one that you'd like for this purpose, you want to choose template category, click on order forms, and here you can see all the different forms they have. Then go up to the search field at the top and type PayPal. Once you do that, you want to select this middle PayPal purchase order form. They have a pro payment form, but that's not the one we want to use. It's very complicated and I couldn't figure it out. All right, and this is the basic skeleton of the form. Here you can customize your title. I normally just put Alessandra Torre holiday order form or whatever you want to say. You can specify your details, and I normally put a nice little chunk of content here where I say when I'm going to ship it, how they can place the order, how it will be personalized. I say there will be no personalization unless you indicate in the bottom form or something like that. So, and then you can start to build your products. Now, when you click in this, it opens up to the side these preset products, which I just go through and delete, and then I click create new product. Here you want to put your book title. For the purposes of this, I'm just going to put book 1. You can set your price. Now, I normally, when I used to have these on my website, I charged $15 per book. When I use Jotform, since I include shipping with it, I normally bump my price to $18. But if you want to charge $12 and then work in $3 of shipping, then put $15. Completely up to you. The nice thing is this next portion where you can choose an image. So I put my book cover there. I select quantity selector, and I let them choose a drop down from 1 to 5. I used to not do this, but I had people who wanted to buy multiple copies of the same book. So now I have a preemptive quantity selector. And then I like to turn on the subtotal form. So once you create that first book, the beauty is it's really easy to then just duplicate it. You can duplicate it as many times as you want to, and then the only thing you have to go in and change is the cover image and the book title and the price. If you have a book that's, a novella or a box set and you want to bump the price up or down, then you can literally create the rest of your books. I think I put like 20 books on my book order form, and it took me less than 45 minutes to build the entire thing. And that was with me kind of stumbling my way around. Now, on the coupons tab, that's where you could enter a coupon if you had one for your PA or for bloggers. What I did when I built my form is I retitled the coupon field as VAT tax, VAT tax. That way you, in my opinion, if you have a coupon field, everyone tries to find the coupon or feels cheated out that they don't have a coupon. So I just, I kind of hid it as VAT tax, and then I just told the people that I gave the coupon to, which was really just my PA. Now on the shipping tab, what I suggest is to just do flat rate, 0 cost shipping. So you'll enable shipping, and you definitely want to mark that so that it asks them for their address. And then I went down and I said per transaction, and I said 0. And as I mentioned before, I just built in the price of shipping into each book. But you can choose per product item. I just went the simpler the better. For tax, I put nothing there. Tax was also something that I just built into the cost. Now, you see that little gear next to payment settings. Click on that. This is very important, or else your form won't work. And enter your PayPal account email address. That's literally all you have to enter. Not your password, not anything else. Just your email address. Save it. And then you're good to go. You can go on the settings tab and change those if you want. I didn't. I went straight to publish, hit copy the link, and tested out my form. Here it is. You can see it. You can try it out. But it looks great, and it's ready to share on social media. Okay. So I hope this video helps. Please shout out in the comment section if you have any questions.